In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make setting to PowerPoint in Microsoft 365. We'll walk through the most important PowerPoint settings so you can personalize your experience, protect your work, and speed up your workflow. Start by signing into your Microsoft 365 account, then open PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the File tab and look to the bottom of the left pane for Options. That's the control center for everything we're about to adjust. Inside the Options window, begin on the General page. This is where you personalize the app. Update your username and initials so comments and collaboration notes show the correct author. These details appear in comments, revisions, and shared presentations, so it's worth setting them correctly. While you're here, you can also review appearance and startup preferences to make PowerPoint feel more comfortable from the moment it opens. Next, head to Proofing. This section controls spelling, grammar, and autocorrect behavior. Decide whether PowerPoint should flag spelling errors as you type, suggest corrections, and automatically fix common capitalization or punctuation issues. Tuning these options reduces typos and saves time, especially when you're building slides quickly or presenting to others. Now move to Save. Set the auto recover interval so PowerPoint periodically saves a recovery copy of your work. 5 minutes is a solid balance between safety and performance. If your computer or app crashes, auto recover helps you pick up right where you left off. In the same area, turn on embed fonts in the file if you use custom fonts. That ensures your slides look the same on any device, even when the other computer doesn't have your fonts installed. For a smaller file, choose to embed only the characters used. For maximum fidelity, embed all characters. Go to Advanced to fine-tune behavior. Here you can adjust editing and display preferences, pointer and zoom behavior, and performance-related options. Small tweaks, like how PowerPoint selects and moves objects, can make building complex layouts much smoother. Then open Customize ribbon. This lets you add, remove, or rearrange tabs and commands so your most used tools are always at your fingertips. If there are features you reach for often, bring them forward. You can also create custom groups to bundle related commands and streamline your workflow. When you're done making changes, remember to click OK or Save to apply them. If you don't confirm, your adjustments won't stick. That's it! Your PowerPoint environment is now tailored to your style, helping you work faster and present with confidence.